How to delete your Apple Maps data on your iPhone. So if you're using Apple Maps, you may find it takes up a lot of storage space. So if you go and load up the settings on your phone, you can then scroll down to General and then click on iPhone Storage. Now if you scroll down, go and locate Apple Maps, and then from here you'll be able to see how much storage space is being taken by the app. Now to go and clear this data, first load up the maps on your phone, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, and then select Offline Maps. Now if you've previously downloaded any offline maps, this is the first thing you need to delete to clear the data. So I'm just going to click on this map here at the very top, and then I can press Delete Map, and that's the first way to remove the data. Now the second thing you'll need to do is go and load back up the settings on your phone, scroll down to General, and then scroll down to Software Update. If there's any updates available for your iPhone, make sure to go and install these now, as this is another way to clear the Apple Map data. Now if it's still not working and you still have a lot of storage space being used up by the maps, the final solution is just to power cycle your device. Now to do this, you'll need to tap the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your iPhone. Now continue to hold this button down until the iPhone screen goes completely black. Even when the screen's black, continue to hold the lock screen button down. When you see the Apple logo, you can go and release this button. Your phone's then going to restart, and once your phone's restarted, that will have now cleared any Apple Maps data.